Morning, fourth grade. Welcome to Problem of the Day. The bag of marshmallows has 251 marshmallows. Lynn puts an additional 61 marshmallows in the bag. If the total number of marshmallows is divided equally between 6 teams, how many marshmallows will each team get? So this is going to take a couple steps. The first thing is that the marshmallows right now are in 2 separate numbers, but I need to figure out how many marshmallows I have total. I want the marshmallows to be represented by one number. So first I had 251, but then Lynn added 61. So I need to add 61 to my totals to figure out how many I have altogether. Starting in my ones place, 1 plus 1 is 2. Going to my tens place, 5 plus 5 makes a 10, and 6 is 1 more. So I have 10 and 1 more, so that's 11. I'm going to regroup the 1 and drop down the 1. And then in my hundreds column, I have 2 plus 1, which is 3. So I have 312 marshmallows total. Now I can move on because that's not where the question ends. It says, if the total number, which I have now, of marshmallows is divided equally between 6 teams, how many marshmallows will each team get? So it tells me really specifically in the problem that now I need to divide. So I'm going to take 312 and I need to divide it by 6. 6 is a larger number than 3. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3 lines down the side, I can only do 2. Because I can just skip the first one instead of erasing it at the end. So I'm going to do 6 times blank equals, and 6 times blank equals. So the first question I need to answer is 6 times what is going to get me as close to 31 without going over. Remember, I'm combining the 2 digits right here. So 6 times 5 gets me as close as I can get. It gets me to 30. Then I subtract. 31 minus 30 leaves me with 1 left over, and then I bring down that 2. So now 6 times what gets to 12? 2. 6 times 2 is 12, and I'll have 0 left over. So then my answer would be each team would get 52 marshmallows. And I'm done. Okay, you guys have some different numbers. You have 31 right there.